funny move where rifle up in the foot. Can I fuck my Sean and only in my cut? If war could have blood clot.
I shot.
Man's could have been a crook. Lose balance today where the talk. Any funny move where rifle up in the foot. Can I fuck my Sean and only in my cut?
Reaction.
Boom! What's the to Mr. Boy Turbulence, aka the Reaction Boss. People, we have 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. This song is called Destroyer. We don't know if it's the diss track, we don't know if it's a reply to Massacre. It just dropped 40 minutes ago, and we know so war go on, so we can react right now. And it gotta be this track. They don't say when they react to the dance or war already, we just turn on the camera. Let's chat things like the video so the video recommends to more people. And check out the first reaction when they did on my other channel, Tag Reacts. I made a mistake and posted over there, so we post over here so I can collab to that channel. But you know what? We still posted on my channel though, so go watch it. 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 Sparta, Destroyer. People follow me on our social media. I post whole heap of clips over there. Go on!
I must say a Purple Island, big city you come from now. Big and promise tell me everything, you know.
You really wanna get so big in life.
You can't come back a big city.
Until you realize
That gunshot go poke you.
you can't be a goat and another king one time.
You can't be a goat and you know wala. What's that over song?
I must say a Purple Island, big city you come from now.
Alright.
Big and promise tell me everything, you know.
You really wanna get so big in life.
You can't come back a big city.
Until you realize
That gunshot go poke you.
Okay.
you can't be a goat and another king one time.
You're not killer.
Fish and crooks in the swamp, pussy and yam.
One round.
Shit more better to fuck. Man a real killer and subs in the
Hold. Fish and crooks in the hold on.
time.
You're not killer.
Fish and crooks in the swamp, pussy and yam.
One round.
Shit more better to fuck. Man a real killer and subs in the song. Crocodile yam dead meat in the swamp. Marks our secrets say fuck you and yam. Rich wet and you still a pay loan for your land. Done fool car bill if I come for your van. Fish and crooks swimming on the same pan. Watch king pussy what a concuss. Rich like oh look a nigga talk up. We have land that the money and drugs. Rich and silence.
The man say, yo, me not deny the drugs part. When you come and tell people I'm take drugs, yes, me do it. He does him have land. Him have land and what?
A nigga talk up.
Alright.
We have land that the money and drugs.
Man, when me lie, him dirty money and them drugs. Talk 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍.
Rich and silence and the talk enough. We pop money on the punch up.
Right.
Fuck your Barbie and the dance. Fucking lame, I saw make you get born. Yeah, be a green. Now watch you ball in a prison style. I feel me free, top your yard fully with all the pants. Anything where you serve, things them are your guide. Black rain fall and shake the sky. The motor dummy on the rifle, me testify. I 1, 2, 3, you attend the vibe. If I'm here, this would I make it slide. I'm on this one, I will time to die.
Man. For this one of the elder, time for that. Say, when I call elder, careful. He's a elder for real, but hold on, dog.
If I'm here, this would I make it slide. I'm on this one, I will
Time to die.
Richest murderer, we not give a fuck.
Alright.
No demons could have been a crook. Lose balance today where the talk. Any funny move where rifle up in the foot. Can I fuck my Sean and only in my cut? If war could have blood clot.
I shot.
Man's could have been a crook. Lose balance today where the talk. Any funny move where rifle up in the foot. Can I fuck my Sean and only in my cut? If war could have blood clot. You know I say you lean like the letter. Today where the talk. Any funny move where rifle up in the foot. Can I fuck my Sean and only in my cut? If war could have blood clot. You know I say you lean like the letter W. You just pat on the phone, nigga.
Yo, me nah say nothing. Me, I react. Me. But when somebody say
Tryna make me buck up on the road, you know.
Alright.
You know say your idol, I do the little house shot, you don't know certain code, you know. You see a climax of your portfolio. For you rich, for the title, they show me no. Voice a squeak like somebody hold your throat. Slit in throat and
You mean split him throat and curry him goat? Oh lord!
Like somebody hold your throat.
Split him throat and curry your goat.
Bitch, I'm bad, pussy, we not talk no. You must be a man, couldn't be the crew. But money, I will take drugs. LSD, that memory time, so. Me ever go sober, me turn in a psycho. You grew up, pussy, that's why you hype so. You have it about coke, that's why you ever glass up. But you a hype from ups, you lock down a coke out. Come on, bro, you know you were free.
Alright.
Do you pussy in a man that bought crazy? You know you grew up good, cause your father have like a cheese. Me grew up with father, no man never mind me. What you do? You rap or you email me? Come and know you a nerd that gangster want to be. Everything you do, you know you want to say it before me. That clever. Shut up projection, man. Me a bet a million. One of your fans can sing one of your songs till it done. We serve a bag of carnel anywhere you turn. Your ego too big, to see enough of you. Me see a bag of tamily everywhere me turn. When me look for see a massacre, when me no see none. When I size you up, pussy go sit down. Teacher, bigger can't fit in a crown. You, me rich but I never, me no sign to labor, me no work for people. You rush.
Me rich, bad and evil, me no sign to labor, me no work for people. Listen to me, leader, man.
When I size you up, pussy go sit down. Teacher, bigger can't fit in a crown. You, me rich but I never, me no sign to labor, me no work for people. You worship crown, house, land and vehicle. Hope for you dead, them bury them with you. Show put a collar on the road, me no need you. Me there prison, me run the black with the evil. Remember, me a real friend and bill. Teacher say I'm feeling poor. Hey, we are gonna put him on the dirt. Suck your mother, you. I will be there destroyer. Oh dear. In Africa club massacre, we have some young destroyer. Remember some me massacre look like massacre. Me I chat about one big crime, make massacre look small. You understand?
Yeah.
But yeah, try freak you, okay, what I tell me. I understand boy freak things. Maybe, me know say I in your face climax get her name, you see?
I'm telling you about the massacre, I say, hold on there. When the clash start, just a start, and the first two, so the man come and talk about uni and pum pum and like beg. Nah, man, you freak up the world too fast, man. I say too fast, like more than man freak up the world. Hold on, I'm going in the comment section, that's what I talk about. Humble clat, what is Sparta fans them there? All who is a guy, blah 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 blah. More want to say about the song, man. Come on, man. Teacher head big, you can't fit the crown. People tell me I know that proportion, but yeah, man, big up yourself with that one. Who first reach? Me first, man. Alright, Sparta fan. You know what else look like Sparta in the comments, right? I'm going to tell pretty comments right now because I can't find nothing good in the comments to talk about. But when does look like who run out, who Gaza this God now? You know, we soon another video though. You could see that coming good longer. More I see you said on the good in them. 21 no? That's all. It's nice again. Wake up yourself. 21 years still still. Finally, someone said it, Massacre, you grow good and your father they rich. Tie shit. I don't know that. So I'm like, go to comments in the dark, it's me. And it's like, go in the comments. You sound like little mosquito. You know what? If you have to follow here, man, I'm posting some other clip on it. Instagram, Thai Vlogs, Thai Reacts. TikTok, Thai Reacts. Is it me I say? All social media. And check on their channel too. Gone.